Hello guys, I'm Rajesh Singh from SQL Server Hub. Today I will explain how to install MongoDB on Ubuntu 20.04 platform. So let's begin. So basically for this demo, I have already created a virtual machine on the Microsoft Azure. So let me open my portal so that I will be collecting a VM information. So I have one VM, it's node 01. So for the connection, I need an IP address, public IP address. So let me copy those and open putty node and IP address. I have to modify it. Let me save this one and open for now. Yes, user ID George or a J and password entering now. Okay, so I successfully log in. Sorry. So first we have to switch into the root. So how we can check current user details? So for this I have one command ID. So you got user ID and group information here. So basically my user ID is root and group is also root. So let's me proceed further. So for the update, let me update my Ubuntu get update. This command I have to use to update Ubuntu box. So update in progress. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, it's completed. So let me upgrade Ubuntu. Sorry. Upgrade. Yes. So it's in progress. So basically now we are processing main DB. So processing trigger for main DB. So let's wait for a few seconds. We'll back and next we can start MongoDB installation. And after that I will explain like how we can connect a database and then creation of database and creation of the collections and accessing those connections. So it's done. Now next step, install -y mongodb-org. Oh, basically this is not available, so let me proceed with this one, MongoDB. So MongoDB installation in progress. Let's wait for a few seconds. MongoDB server setup is going on. So let me check service status of MongoDB. MongoDB status. Okay, it's running. Meanwhile, let me check which version I installed by default. We have to execute this command mongo --- version. So basically you got version details. So you can check. It's a Mongo shell 3.3.6 installed. So let me test. Let me create a demo database, and after that we can create one table or a collections, and then we'll try to access those collections. So let me connect. So basically Mongo command you have to execute for the connection of Mongo. Basically I didn't create any user specific. So by default we are connecting with the roots. So next step I have to show databases. So dbs, this command we can list out available database details. So you got it's a by default database created, admin config and locals. Let me create a new database. So for this you have to use this one, this command demo, like I'm using a new database and I'm creating a new database. So demo db. Okay. Next step to create action here. So db dot, let me put a db, its a collection name is, let's employee dot insert. So I'm creating a collection with a name of employee and I want to insert some records. So let me check. First attribute employee number, and it's a numeric data type. So what I will do, I will put numeric value here, comma next attribute ename, and this attribute should be a string data type. For a string I have to enter value in a double quote. Okay. So let me close curly braces and after that bracket and try to enter. So it's inserted one. It means successfully inserted your record. No error. Let me insert one more record, but you know this, like a MongoDB is a unstructured or semi-structured data type. So basically, initially I created a two attribute and I entered two values in a collection. But now I want to add one additional attribute, salary, and I want to insert salary values, something like that. Let me try this. It's also inserted. How you can check how many records are there in employee collections? So for this you have to write db dot employee dot find, this command. So basically if you execute this, you got how many records are there. So basically I inserted a 101, same values, but I inserted one another column is salary. So in this collection, by default object ID is there. ID, you can say ID columns, and ID contains unique information just like our unique identifier. And we can insert, like as per our requirement, you can add like an additional attribute you can add at the runtime. That will not impact your design. So basically it's a, you can say it's a unstructured data type, unstructured storage. So on basis of your requirement, you can add your attribute and you want. Let me show you a number of databases, because initially we got 3. Now we created one database DemoDB. So let's list out. You got DemoDB is already created. It means all steps will be done. So installation of MongoDB, by default MongoDB, it's a 3.6. So even query you can post, comment and like. Thank you so much.